Qlik NPrinting provides a set of advanced capabilities for Qlik Sense and QlikView report distribution. You can share your reports by email, send reports to specific user folders, and also publish reports in the Newsstand. You can publish both QlikView and Qlik Sense reports directly to the Qlik Sense hub. To distribute reports by email, you need to set up your SMTP parameters, including outgoing mail server address, port number, and username and password if the server requires authentication. Insert a default sender email address and click Update Email Settings. Next, create a task to distribute your report by email. Create a new task, fill in the name, and select an app from the drop-down list. When your task has been created, choose the report you want to send by email, select the output format, and make sure the checkbox attached to email is checked. Select the users or group to whom you want to send the report. Select the Email Destination checkbox to send the report to the selected recipients. If you want to send filtered information, select your previously created filter from the list. The Destinations tab allows you to customize how reports will be delivered to each user and group. Now you can customize your email message. To customize the sender's email, either choose from the drop-down list or enter a valid email address in the custom field. You can also add email addresses to the CC and BCC fields. Separate email addresses with a semicolon, then enter the email subject. Select the email format. If you want to add tags to create dynamic text, or select HTML. To insert dynamic text, click Tags, and then select the tag you want from the list. It will be replaced with a value when the email is generated. If you have other reports related to this task, you can add them as attachments. You can create a trigger to schedule when the task is run, or you can run this task manually. Once your report has been sent, the user will receive an email with the report you've selected as an email attachment. Another way to share reports with QlikView NPrinting is by sending reports to a specified user location. First, you have to define a folder and a subfolder in the user page. As in this example, you can define a folder name that refers to the team to which the user belongs and a subfolder for the specific user. When finished, create a new destination folder. Name it and select the app with which you want to associate this folder. Choose the location where the reports will be stored. In this example, we save locally on the server to which the user has access. You can also add a user folder and user subfolder. Qlik NPrinting will then automatically create the folders, adding the name you have defined on the specific user page. Now you can create a task to send a report to the folder you've just defined. Select the same app you chose when you created the folder and add a report. Choose the recipient to whom you want to send the report. Then, select the destination folder you just created. When complete, Run the task manually, or schedule it to be launched every week, for example. As you can see, a digital market folder is created with a user-specific subfolder which contains the report you sent. Another way to send your report is by publishing it in the Newsstand. To do this, first you have to assign Newsstand rights to the user to whom you want to send the report. Select a predefined Newsstand user from the list. Alternatively, you can create a specific role that allows your user to perform the actions you select in the published report area. To publish your report to Newsstand, you have to create a specific task. Choose the report you want to send, and then select a user from the list. In the destination window, make sure that the Newsstand destination is selected. Then you can create a trigger to publish the report with a defined frequency. Or you can run the report delivery manually. After your report is published in the Newsstand, the recipient can view it by logging into the web portal. As you can see, the report you sent is now published in the Newsstand. To connect to a Qlik Sense app, you must first create a source connection in Qlik NPrinting. A connection defines the origin of the data for reports, filters, and tasks. Enter a name for the connection. From the drop-down list, select the app you've just created. Now, enter the proxy address and the Sense app ID. You can find this information by opening the Qlik Sense app to which you want to connect. In the address bar, the first part of the address is the Qlik Sense machine name, which you will enter as the proxy address. The app ID is located at the end of the address name. In the proxy address field, enter the Qlik Sense machine name. Insert the app ID and then insert the Windows domain name and the username of the Qlik Sense administrator. Now that your connection is created, set up the Qlik Sense Hub as a destination. Insert a name and enter the central node address for the Qlik Sense Hub. Once your connection is created, you can prepare a report using Qlik Sense data. In this example, you can see the creation of a simple report made by adding two images taken from Qlik Sense. Once you have created your report, you can create a task to publish the report on the Qlik Sense Hub. Enter a name for your report, and then select the app from the drop-down menu. Click Create. Add the report to this task, and then choose an output format. Next, add a user to the task. The user must be a Windows domain user who has been configured in both Qlik NPrinting and Qlik Sense. Under Destinations, select Hub. If you select Upload for All, Reports can only be viewed in the QlikSense hub by users who are configured to see them. Run the task manually and then open the QlikSense hub to view your published report. This is your published report. You can open it directly from QlikSense. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.